Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed. I'm the co-founder and COO of Muyuva. I'm an also fresh MBA graduate who is concentrated in IT and project management. Previously, I was a junior product manager for IoT-based security startup for primary and secondary schools. When it comes to the passion, my passion in this life is turning challenges into solutions. Since I'm an experienced in educational technology, by analyzing and writing reports about more than 300 different educational technology startups, I have chosen this field as a passion to create a solution for. Besides that, me and my co-founders have personal experience of studying abroad for higher education. All those mentioned things created the momentum for me to convince my co-founders for starting Muyuva. And the other major problem is the current international student recruitment process is antiquated and still relies on study abroad recruiting agencies. So we at Muyuva aim to innovate and bring technological approach to this problem. Muyuva is an international admission and application management platform that students will be matched with the best fitting university with a click of a button, whereas universities will receive pre-qualified, complete and validated applications. The perfect match between international student and the university will take place through Muyuva's internally designed artificial intelligence tool. Thanks for watching.